Justin, it feels almost impossible to put into words what it means to stand here with you today. Our story began long before either of us realized it. Two little kids in preschool, crossing paths before we even knew what Justin was.
Dear Suzi, Tilly and I promise to love you, to honor you, to obey you, and cherish you. I promise to love your family as my own.
I just knew that this was something that was special, really special and amazing. So I really want you to know that these two people have a magical, amazing life ahead of them. Congratulations and God bless you.
Suzi obviously knows how much we love her, and the two of you together are a great combination. I know how much you love and respect each other. So welcome to the Stratton family, Justin.